Good, good, good. Pull up straight. Don't hit the curb, but pull up. Keep pulling up. Then park. Brother, I thought you did a very good job. You got better on your second parallel park. You merged out nicely on the expressway. We want to keep you prepared, getting you ready. We'll take.
I feel like the only time I got nervous today was recently on the turn.
You're right, but we just got to keep practicing. You missed a couple. We'll get you back in. I got to double check my schedule for next Thursday. Don't worry, stay flexible. I'm proud of you. You did good. I'm gonna have to roll up because I have a drive at 2:30.
Oh, and Brent, you will be receiving a text today.
I like that.
Herman.
Okay, then we'll double up. Man, go ahead, hit me up with that money, big dog.
All right.
Come on, man.
Oh wait, it's in the car.
Go get it. Go get it. So what you saw was a 23 or 22-year-old young man learning how to drive. It's real out here. And when you learn how to drive, good things are gonna happen. He did really good on the parallel parking. He made a couple of errors. What he did was he made that left turn and that car was pulling out to her right. So I think it was a little bit off. Would he have been close to failing? I think it depends on how close that car was. He almost turned into the wrong lane. Whenever you're turning it like that, turn into your nearest lane. He turned into the left lane, but I think if that car would have been in a hurry, it would have been a conflict. It would have been an accident. So I would say that he passed. He didn't run lights. He did some nice parking. He did some nice turning. You saw this for yourself. Now, I modeled. Okay, what other instructors are going to parallel park? What other instructors are going to be backing into the reverse park? What other instructors are going to do the stop line? You see me. That brings you value. I'm showing you value. You know, why should you be watching my videos? Why should you be subscribing? Because I'm a state certified driving instructor. I showed you a portion of the road test. I walk it like I talk it. And then you're going to see me driving on the expressway going to another appointment. I thought he did good. He missed 2 drives. He was a little rusty on making his right and left turns, a little hesitant. He went a little bit. Would he have passed this road test? I believe so. He's just got to do more observations, check his blind spots, have better control of the car. I thought overall he did a nice job controlling the car, merging out to the expressway. He was about 50. Not bad. Some adults go under. Yeah, he did good, E. You already know. I'm hard. E, I'm hard because this is a co-worker's son. This is not some random person. I got to do good. And I think his friend heard about me and she's going to get her TIP, her temporary instruction permit, and she's going to join us. He's about 2 or 3 lessons from obtaining his license, okay? He's 2 or 3 lessons away. What you are seeing or have seen was the real life situation of a driver learning and a driver going through the process. He parallel parked the first time. The car was a little bit out of the boundary, but it passed. The second time he parallel parked, he got the car in deeper, he passed. This is because we work those parallel parking fundamentals, beginning, middle, and end. And you go with who you know. You go with who you trust. And I know there are a lot of driving companies across the United States, but it's really about the relationship. It's about you knowing someone, talking to someone, and just building that relationship. It's just fun for me to see him out there, see him gaining that independence, okay? To see him growing into that young adult who's going to find that job, because once he's done with me, he's got to have a job. He's going to have a job a job if you want to be with me. So, and manifesting this, I have 2 more drivers, and then, you know, we're going to be doing the classroom portion. But I was giving him positive support. There were a few drivers who were impatient, cutting around us, cutting us off, not really giving us proper space. He's got on Crocs. I would prefer a more comfortable shoe. He's very smooth on the gas and smooth on the brakes. And you're going to go with who you know. Like, you guys know me. You see me. You see me out here putting work in. You are riding along with me every day. Usually I go live in the morning. I go live after work. But because I'm on a summer schedule, I go live in the evening. And then whenever I have an adult lesson like this, I go live to show you some of the fundamentals so you know that I'm actually a teacher. I'm not some random person pretending to be someone. Don't pretend, okay? But I know this is going to change his life. And he needs some help with this personal computer. I'm gonna help him because I'm a gamer too. And we all help each other, readjusting the mirrors because he's a little bit taller than me, but he likes to see low. So I'm looking straight ahead, adjusting the side mirror. I'm framing the rear window. So now I got my mirrors more adjusted.